Good morning or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. I am Lucy Mitchell. I am coming back with you again as this mom's review of a wonderful Zaya item that I've had for a little bit. I just haven't had a chance to put it on, and I don't know why it's taking me this long, and B, give you guys a review. These, I want to say, came out, well, this is November 2020, and so I want to say that this came out in August, and so I want to say this came out in August 2020. I could be wrong, because honestly, I don't remember yesterday half the time, but I'm giving you guys a review, my review of our Salmon, I want to make sure I'm saying this right, our Salmon Pocket Quarter Zip Pullover. Okay, so one of the things I first want to tell you guys is that this has the kangaroo pouch, so it goes all the way through. We have had other quarter zips that either do not have the pocket in the front, or they have just the pockets in the front, but there's that, you know, that line in the front. It has a wider thumb hole, which I absolutely love. It's not that I have big fat thumbs. I do have long thumbs because I'm 5'9", so it's not like I got like little tiny hands. But I have found that even on some of our oh so soft hoodies, and remember, I'm always going to be very transparent. I love being a Zaya active rep, but I have found that sometimes I have to force my thumb in. Not with this product. I was unsure about the salmon color because when I had blonde hair, I'm naturally a blonde. So when I had blonde hair, I would do some pinks, but pink is not my signature color. But I am loving this salmon color. So if I come up just a little bit closer, and then hopefully with this lighting, because again, Oregon lighting is not the best especially in my house, you can see that it is like a true salmon color. It's almost like a rose, but not really. I will pull up, maybe, let's see, what is this color? This is a poppy. So this is one of our poppy colors. So you see this is lighter, but maybe this darker kind of ribbing color in here would be very similar. But either way, I find that this is a great color that would go with a lot of different skin tones. And the zip goes all the way down. So normally, this is way longer than a quarter zip, okay? This is, actually, I'm sorry, it's a half zip. So I'm saying quarter zip, I'm wrong. It's a half zip. So that in itself is really cool. So the half zip, it goes all the way down like to my breast, like this is your breast bone. So underneath the breast line. And then you zip it all the way up, and it's gonna protect you against those elements. And it's a really classy look. So I am wearing it with our black logo leggings. But again, this would be great with our joggers, with a pair of jeans, any other complimentary leggings. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of a brain fart. And then I'll get up closer. So I am not feeling one of those cloth coverings, okay? And you could see that the zipper is about a similar color to the color of the salmon color, okay? So I love, there's not a hood. It comes up nice, a very classic look, and the sleeves are nice and long. This is not like I'm fighting to cover over my knuckles. The fabric is very soft. This is a 80% polyester, 20% spandex, so there is some nice stretch. And I am wearing, let me just double check on, where did I put the things? Lucy, where did you put the things? I just had them. Oh, it's over here. Okay, so I am wearing a large. So this is, I could wear a medium. In fact, we just restocked. Let me raise this up a little bit so you guys could see my face. I am wearing a large, and we just restocked on the gray. So I'm going to order the gray, and I am going to get a medium just to do a comparison. But I have, you can see, like, it's not like compressive, but because of the spandex, I'm totally gonna size down. So lengthwise, it's gonna hit you right above where the bump in your booty goes. But this material is super soft. So some of the things about this I wanted to tell you is they tell you to go true to size. It's tailored to fit loose enough to layer without being baggy. So that's why they say go true to size. My true to size is medium, but I was concerned about the shoulder and it being kind of like, you know, give that illusion where it's too tight. And it does have that sweat wicking material. So it will, if I were to go for a run or a power walk and like I want to start training for a virtual 5K or virtual 10K with my husband. He doesn't know it yet, but don't tell him. I would totally, this would be something I would wear to deal with the elements outside. And it's gonna pull that moisture off and absorb that moisture. So I'm just telling you guys, this is a great, wait, step back just a little bit. It's getting warm in here. So I have my fireplace on, it's very cold outside. But this is so cute and so classic. I would go to the grocery store in this. I would wear this out for brunch, wear this to out meet up with friends. But I love the fact that it has that kangaroo pouch. So I highly recommend this. This is my mom's review. It's $69. It is available right now in sizes extra small through 4XL, ladies, 4XL. And we have it available in gray, and let me double check for you guys. I will post in the comments below or in the description. We also had it in a green, and I will double check if we are restocking in that. So have a great day. Please remember, like and subscribe to my page. I have so many more reviews to post for you guys. Share this with all of your friends. If you're interested in hosting a party, please comment below. I always check these comments. I would be happy to book a party with you so you could get some free and discounted activewear, especially with the holidays coming, or any time of year that you happen to be watching this. We are always updating new items every single Wednesday. And remember, this is not just activewear, it's also leisure wear. We have accessories, we have socks, we have yoga mats, we have so many things. This month alone, we're set to restock or release over 100 new items. So we have something for everyone. We also have an amazing kids line. But again, this is just this mom's review of these items. I hope this was helpful for you, and I will see you guys very soon.